Set up 9-night pass and everything was to make a step and the men's figure fire wing. Silence creep up, not even drop a pin. People ask.
Welcome guys, Creambar back again with an oration video. Today I check out 3 giant UK giant, STORMZY, Ed Sheeran and BURNA boy owned it. So we're gonna try check out this and see what's going on. Owned it, boy. You know there's something sick will come. Something sick.
Own it, girl, you just own it.
What's that?
Body's on fire. Show me how to control it. And go ahead, you flip and get higher. Girl, I love how you roll it. I put my hand there.
Honest to God, I thought this was gonna be like a rap song. STORMZY coming in with the vocals, with the singing again. Alright, my boy.
You just
Own it.
Cause your body's on fire. Show me how to control it. And go ahead, you flip and get higher. Girl, I love how you roll it. I put my hand there. Hold it, I'ma be right by ya.
Dun dun dun.
I'ma be right by
Bye
ya.
ya.
I'ma be right by
Never expect this, bro. Honest to God.
I'ma be right by ya.
Lighters up, lighters in the air when you're lighting up the rave, and it's feeling like I met you there before. Girl, I felt your presence when they let you through the door. Never had a brother give you everything and more, so I take a little piece and then the rest of it is yours, me and more.
You don't play when I don't they tell you, but can you taste and I play?
What the hell?
I don't know when till you they do me, we just
Oh, that's the African language.
Fuck loving when I put you in your place. I can tell the way that you wind up your waist. I'm so in awe, girl, you never have to worry about nothing. You know it's yours, you know you're own it.
Girl, you just
Own it.
cause your body's on fire. Show me how to control it. And go ahead, you flip and get higher. Hold it, I'ma be right by ya.
Dun 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 dun. Bye ya. Alright, brother boy. Alright, okay, my boy. I see you. Yeah, bye ya.
Lights down for the one I love right now. You never look better.
Yeah.
Our friends all love it when we chill together. We the one. You got a sick vibe. I want it one-on-one. Up to now, nobody knew where I was coming from, but we got the same mind, so I don't wanna waste time.
Restart it.
That's what I need. That's right.
It's like I know tonight club song.
I used to love being alone, but now I can't stand it. Read one, and I don't understand it. How you lighting up the room with your glow? Cause girl, you just own it.
Let's own it.
Cause your body's on fire. Show me how to control it. Go ahead and slip in it. Hold it, I'ma be right by ya.
Dude, Ed Sheeran feel like the only white guy in that club. I just forgot that. Oh, see a white dude on the white there.
I'ma be right
Bye ya. Bye ya. Bye ya. Yo, it's time to surprise upon a song here. Like at the beginning with the singing, he did rap. But I think I was gonna see like straight rapping, but the singing, classic. Alright guys, this is the introduction video to STORMZY. Owned it, feat Ed Sheeran and BURNA boy. 3 big giants. And there's 2 UK giant and 1 African giant. Crazy. Very good song, not gonna lie. This seems like a song I can play in the club. Even just play the characters vibes, because as you guys can see, you're down on the vibes, isn't it? So this is an introduction video. Enough love. Peace.